Is your little superstar still having nighttime accidents? Not to worry. Many brave adventurers face this common challenge known as nocturnal enuresis, or more simply, bedwetting. So what exactly is enuresis? Enuresis is when a child unintentionally pees in their sleep. It's nothing for your tiny hero to be ashamed of, nor does it imply anything is wrong with them. They're part of a vast league of superheroes facing the same mission. But why does this happen? There are a couple of reasons. One, their brains might be so engaged in battling the villains of their dreams, they miss the alert from their bladder. Two, their bladder might still be in training, learning to hold all that superhero fuel. Three, their kidneys might be a tad overzealous in producing urine at night. Four, it could be a part of their family legacy, with other heroes in their lineage having undertaken similar nighttime quests. If your champion is over 8 and still wrestling with bedwetting, it might be time to join forces with a doctor to devise a personalized strategy. Now let's assemble your team to help your hero triumph over nighttime leaks. The hydration heroes limit fluids close to bedtime so their bladders aren't overwhelmed. The bathroom buddies ensure your hero makes a pit stop at the potty right before lights out, making sure their secret weapon, pee, is emptied. The caffeine cutters avoid sugary drinks and caffeine, which can irritate their bladders. The positivity patrol, remember, accidents happen. Shower your hero with praise for their effort, not just for dry nights. The medical marvels. For older heroes, a doctor might prescribe special medicine to help their kidneys produce less pee at night. The bedwetting alarm. For heroes around 9 or 10, a bedwetting alarm can be a game changer. This device gently wakes them up when they start to leak, training their brains to be pee-aware ninjas. Remember, patience, celebrating progress, and teaming up with a doctor can help your little superhero achieve nighttime dryness and conquer those sleep battles once and for all. For those seeking a bedwetting alarm, consider exploring the Bedwetting Store, PotMD, and Palco Labs. In addition, the following books might provide further guidance. 7 Steps to Nighttime Dryness by Renee Mercer, Bedwetting Enuresis by Master Farokh Jamshid, No More Bedwetting, How to Help Your Child Stay Dry by Samuel J. Arnold, Waking Up Dry, A Guide to Help Children Overcome, Bedwetting by Howard J. Bennett, MD, FAAP, and Dry All Night, The Picture Book Technique That Stops Bedwetting by Allison Mack. Together you can turn those soggy sheets into a cape of confidence. So, here's to our superhero's journey towards conquering nighttime leaks.